What's up guys, here we are in a new video. In this video we're going to be looking at this wireless mouse and keyboard. Earlier I've made a full video unboxing and reviewing it for you guys. So now the main question here is this wireless mouse and keyboard worth buying or not? Let's dive into it. First of all, I got this one in color white because the color is sick and it matches my deck setup. Secondly, this is not rechargeable. This kind of a deal breaker. It's not a deal breaker though, but it's a red flag. This is not rechargeable. There is no charging port for this. It uses AA battery. Well, it doesn't make sense. It's not that I'm against AA batteries, but it will make sense if it's rechargeable too. But for the price, I think that shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. Both the mouse and keyboard are very responsive. Not instantly responsive, but they are good. You connect both the mouse and keyboard to your computer's Bluetooth with the help of this. So just insert this to the USB port, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and it automatically connects to your computer. So bottom line, if you lost this, you need to get a new wireless mouse and keyboard because there's no way you can connect it. Next thing, there's no power button on the wireless mouse or keyboard. So it just turns on automatically when you connect it to your computer. Well, that's kind of okay. The size of the keyboard is okay and it sits well on the desk mat. The mouse is a little bit ugly looking though. They could have done better with the design. The battery life is okay though you might have to change these AA batteries each month depending on how you use the wireless mouse and keyboard. For someone like me, it might reach you up to 2 months without changing them, but for someone who uses it every day, every hour, someone like a gamer or live streamer, I think you need to change them every 3 weeks or maybe a month. So I bought this 5 months ago and it's still working good. The mouse and keyboard is still working great. I don't have any bad reviews about this and it's very cheap. So for the price, it will cost you highest $15. You can even get it for a much cheaper price on some other online selling websites. And so in conclusion, as a result of the price and the quality, I think this is worth buying because it works really well. It's not the best you can get, but for the price it's okay. If you want a much better mouse or keyboard, I would advise you to go for Logitech or Razer. But this one for the price is working well and the design is manageable, it's working good. So if you want any of this, I'll leave links in the description of the video. If you want Logitech too, I will leave some links in the description of this video. Make sure to go check and pick out one. And that's all for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. To watch a full unboxing and review of this mouse and keyboard, tap the link here. It will take you to the video. That's all for the video. Make sure to subscribe. Until then, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace.